Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by diagnosing the Hyundai Accent window issue systematically. First, locate the interior fuse box under the dash and confirm fuse labeled for power windows is 15A, replace if blown. Next, test at the switch connector with a multimeter. You should see 12, 0V with ignition on and the switch pressed. Finally, visually inspect the switch assembly for corrosion, cracked housing, or bent pins. Note any broken resin clips, so you can order the correct replacement or a used donor part. Begin door panel removal by lowering the window slightly and removing the visible screws, typically 3 Phillips fasteners behind the armrest and around the handle. Use a 6mm plastic pry tool to remove the trim and gently pry around the perimeter to release the 7 plastic clips. Work in a clockwise pattern and keep clips in order. Lift the panel up about 1 inch from the door to clear the top lip. Then disconnect the power mirror connector and the window switch harness, and set the panel on a towel to protect finishes. To replace the switch, press the retaining tabs and push the switch housing out of the armrest pocket. Take note of orientation and install the new OEM or OEM equivalent module until tabs click. Reconnect the switch harness and power mirror connector, then reconnect the negative battery cable if you removed it. With ignition on, test every function for about 30 seconds, confirming full travel up and down and auto features. Finally, align the door panel. Press all 7 clips into place. Hand tighten the 3 Phillips screws and verify window operation one more time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.